Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Zoom on any Mac device. In this case I'm using a MacBook. Go to your internet browser, in this case I'm using Google Chrome, and go over to Google, type in Zoom, and from there you want to go to the first organic link, www.zoom.com, press that, and then you want to scroll all the way down to the download section. Press download, and that's going to bring you to the download center. From there, scroll down to Zoom Workplace for Mac. You can tap the download for Apple Silicon. Tap that and the downloader should start downloading the installer for Zoom. As this is quite a big file size, I'm going to come back in a little second once this has downloaded. So guys, we can see the installer has downloaded. Press this button right here, Show in Finder. That's going to open your Finder and open the downloads. From there, double tap on the Zoom installer. Welcome to the Zoom Workplace installer. By clicking continue, you agree to our terms of service. Make sure that you read the terms of service and the privacy policy before you actually continue. I've already done this. Continue, then press install. My password. Install software. Installer would like to access your files. Okay. So from there, guys, it's basically the installer is going to work. It's going to install Zoom on your device. Just let it run. As you can see here, the installation was successful. It has completed. Press close. Do you want to move the Zoom Workplace installer to your bin? Move it to the bin because we do not need this anymore. And then Zoom is going to open and run on this Mac device. The installation was successful, as we can see here. Automatically keep the Zoom Workplace app up to date. Press done. And then from there, guys, you can either join a meeting, sign up, or sign in very, very quickly. So as we can see, the app Zoom has fully successfully downloaded on this Mac device. If this video has been helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thank you.